so my Amazon order just came in. I'll flip the camera around so I can show you guys what I got. Okay, so this is a data transfer cable. So I can transfer stuff from my phone. Oh, this is my card stock. Oh my god, for my prints. So heavy, wheeze. Oh. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, by the way. This is sticker paper, I think. Then I also have this, which is my iPad case. And then I have this, which is, oh, my tripod. So let's bring these upstairs. So I'm a little bit concerned this is not waterproof because it says it's waterproof online, but on here it just says that it's self-adhesive. So if it's not waterproof, I'm gonna be kind of annoyed. And this is the tripod I ordered. I just wanted it so I could take better angles for my vlogs. This comes with about 100 sheets. It's a lot of paper. Let me just pull out one for reference. Oh, this is sick. Wait, why is there a dent? There's like literally a dent in here. Well, this will be my test prints. This is nice thick paper, but why are you bent? The sticker paper. This is 50 sheets. I think it's 50 sheets. I know it's definitely 50 sheets. I don't need 100 sheets of sticker paper. This one's actually thicker than my last sticker paper, so I'm good with that. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna put these on my shelf, and then I'm gonna get my unpacking. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the color. I love the color. Love the color. I love to this part right here. Okay. I love the color. It's so nice. Oh my god, this is so. I'm just imagining how big the iPad is. Hey guys, so I brought a special guest. Come here, sis. This is my sister. I didn't think I was gonna be in it. What? No, you have to pop your head in. Hi. This is my sister. Wait, how do I open this? Oh, they have a pulley tab. They have a pulley tab. How do I open it? Oh, I was expecting to like lift off like a book. Oh, what a sexy piece of equipment. Ooh, oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I was so gonna I was getting ready to like take my scissors and like rip it apart. You know what I'm talking about, right? It has a pull tab. I just wanna like, I was gonna say marry this, but like that wouldn't be right. My screen protector hasn't come in yet, so it's coming in tomorrow, so I'll put that on tomorrow, but I just wanna at least start it up. I got the lighter version because I like the lighter color. I don't like the darker one.
I do, the darker gray is not bad, but I do like the lighter one for eyeshadow. Well, it's a big mama.
It's so shiny. I'm like so happy. It's so shiny.
Oh, you got a folding out case, like the ones that our aunts have.
Yeah, I like it better because I like to actually cover all the edges. This is really pretty. I like the blue color. It's like very faint. It's a little bit darker than I expected. I want to actually match my wall, but it's fine. It looks like the right shade on here, but then once I lift it up, it's like super dark. But direct sunlight.
Did you unpack your laptop?
Oh, say hi to the camera, Dad.
Oh, this doesn't fit either because it's not.
Hello, camera.
Dad, mine came in before yours.
This still doesn't fit. No, I'm sad.
It's so beautiful. It's turning on. I'm actually so excited. Wait, I want to see the magnetic thing. Hold it. Oh, ooh. It's saying hello to me. It's so big. It's so exciting.
That's what she said.
Huh? Dad! Right now I'm watching The Risk Cooks in America. I'm also working on this artwork. I was gonna do a face on it, but then I just couldn't figure it out. So I didn't give up. I'm probably gonna try to draw more faces later, but I do want to post something on Instagram. I'm not gonna spend too long on this, but because I have to study, but this is like my break. I got a letter today from Carmen Cito. If you don't know her, I'll put her link in the bio, but she mailed me this book. Oh, she does it in tissue paper. I'm literally, yes, girl, you're serving me. Oh, I love this. It says for you. Ooh. Ooh. Her sticker quality is A++. This is the 0 fuck sticker. Send nudes. Oh my god, I love this one. This is the meow one. This one's probably my favorite. I cannot wait to stick this onto my iPad. And then she gave me this. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, sticker sheets. I absolutely love sticker sheets. But they're always... I'm not a planner, so I never like buy them, but I love them. Ooh, yes, these are so cute. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then I'll probably put a lot of like my fandom stickers back here, but I like the way this is placed. And these look really, really cute as well. I think I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I don't think I want to put anything else on here yet. These, oh my god, I'm gonna treasure these so much. I love this. So I was pretty busy that week, so this is the first artwork I did since I got the new screen protector, and I figured I might as well just take this opportunity of art to just talk about how I feel about the screen protector and about using a matte one. I got kind of accustomed to using the glass just because I've had it like that for a week, and then switching to this was not easy, I would say, because the drying experience is very, very different. I couldn't tell if I really liked the paper like matte finish because it kind of felt weird. If you put your hand on it, it feels like gritty almost. It feels like sand, like light sandpaper. Not that it is, but that's what it feels like when you're touching with your hand, like zooming in and out. The writing experience is fine, but I find like when my hand got like kind of like sweaty, I like would drag my hand across the screen to draw like a line, and then what is happening is I can like feel that like resistance, and it kind of makes my lines a little bit more choppy. So if you're someone who doesn't mind the glare or is not too keen on having it write exactly like paper, because I personally found it fine writing it on a screen, then you can just get a tempered glass protector. I feel like that would at least protect from cracks better. But after having it for each way like a week, I'm pretty indifferent. I'm used to the matte screen protector now, and I don't really know if I'd ever get tempered glass just because I don't like it that shiny. And I think the resistance is okay because I use my iPad for a lot of note taking. But in terms of art, I think personally I would go back to tempered glass. But for all of my uses, I'll just stick with the Belmont screen protector. It's actually a really good screen protector. I've heard of Paper-like, but I just didn't follow the hype after watching a few videos. I wanted something that didn't scratch as easily because I hate the way scratches look, so this is what I went with. But yeah. Hey guys, it's middle of the week. I haven't been doing a lot of art. I've been kind of working on things off camera. I just like it better. But something special came in today. Naomi, Doodles by Naomi on Instagram. I ordered something from her shop because I broke. I ordered some pins and a sticker sheet. Oh my god, these are so... Look at this. Look how cute this is. I'm literally like, wait, did I order this? I think this might be a freebie. Look how cute this is. This one got a little bent, but it's a Totoro sticker sheet. I went Totoro crazy. I also ordered this Haichu sticker because I thought it did look really good on my iPad. I'm actually gonna get those things right now so I can kind of show it off to you guys. So this is the jacket. It's kind of small on me. I'll probably put my pin on a bigger jacket. So I want to put the Haichu one on the back of my iPad, probably like right here. I'm gonna see what looks best. You guys, I'm gonna like do this. Yeah, I think it's gonna go right in the corner. These are so cute. Like, look at that. I'm gonna put more holographic ones. Holographic goes on the back, plain goes on the front. For the plain stickers, I so far have fruit stickers, but I like it because it like doesn't look like too wild. The back looks a little bit more wild. Oh my god, it's really cute. I like it. I think she's gonna like it. I'm gonna show this to my sister.